Hello everyone. If you are someone who is still confused whether the US CMA qualification is worth it in 2025 or not, then this video is for you. Let's break it down and get real about the numbers, the value and the future of the US CMA qualification. मोटा मोटा बोलूँ तो करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. First and the most important factor of US CMA is that it is globally respected and locally relevant, which means that the US CMA qualification is a recognized certification awarded by the IMA, the Institute of Management Accountants, USA. It's trusted by over 140,000 professionals across 150 plus countries, and India is a booming hotspot for US CMA talent. What makes US CMA so unique? Only 2 exams to appear for. These 2 powerful parts equips the students with the essentials in the real world of business and finance. Moreover, the US CMA curriculum is quick, focused and future ready. You don't need 3 years and 15 exams to become a management accounting pro. US CMA can be completed in 6 to 9 months only, and the payoffs are huge. Let's talk about some salary data points specific to India only, क्योंकि जहां है पहले वहां की बात करते हैं. According to IMA's 2023 Global Salary Survey, CMAs in India earn 63% more in median total compensation than their non-certified peers. एवरेज सैलरी की अगर बात करूं तो 5 से 7 लाख पर एनम इजीली यूएस सीएमएस को मिल जाता है. एंड विद एक्सपीरियंस 2 to 3 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस भी अगर होगा तो 8 to 12 लाख के स्लैब में आप इजीली लैंड करोगे, with senior roles fetching as high as 15 to 25 lakhs as a bare minimum starting salary. अब salaries तो मैंने बता दी, but what about the top companies who are hiring for US CMAs in India? In India, US CMA qualified professionals are recruited by top global as well as Indian employers across the sectors. कुछ top companies के अगर नाम सिर्फ लेने हो तो Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC, Accenture, Genpact, Cognizant, Wipro, TCS, IBM, Infosys, the list goes on and on. But why is it actually making sense for you to do US CMA in 2025? आज के business world में the finance role has completely transformed. Companies want professionals who not only know the numbers but also understand strategy, analytics and performance. मतलब सबको ready package चाहिए, और वो कहाँ से आएगा? When you actually have the skill set that this qualification can teach you. So is the US CMA worth it in 2025? Let me make it very simple for you. If you're someone who's looking for a qualification that's fast, focused and future relevant, then the answer is a big yes. Be where the world of finance is heading. Be a US CMA. If you need to know more details about the offerings of the qualification at the Wall Street School, please feel free to leave a comment and our team will get in touch with you. Till then, thank you so much. God bless.